You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome to the podcast, your guide to living in another country. Today, we are talking about corporate relocations from Southern California and what companies need to know when an employee or leadership team is moving overseas. The biggest challenge is usually not the shipment itself, it is coordination. The employee may have a start date, visa process, family travel arrangements, temporary housing, and a home that needs to be packed, all while the company needs a predictable relocation plan. Start by identifying the non-negotiables. Confirm the employee's reporting date, destination address, or temporary housing, travel date, document status, and any company policies that affect shipment volume or services. These decisions should be made before packing dates are locked in. A professional survey is the foundation of the household goods plan. It provides a clear view of volume, large furniture, fragile pieces, electronics, specialty items, and access conditions. It also gives the employee an opportunity to decide what should ship, what should remain in storage, and what they will carry personally. Most corporate household moves use sea freight for the main shipment and, when needed, air freight for selected essentials. The best option depends on the household, destination, and timing. Trying to fly an entire household is often unnecessary. A better strategy is to identify the items the family needs immediately and let the main shipment move by sea. Documentation is another major work stream. Immigration documents and household goods customs documents are not the same thing. Employees should prepare destination paperwork early, including passport copies, inventories, residence-related documents, and other supporting materials required for their specific country. Customs authorities always make the final determination. Companies can reduce stress by giving the employee one clear plan: survey, document review, packing, export movement, customs coordination, and final delivery. Consistent communication matters, especially when dates change or temporary housing becomes necessary. At destination, delivery details should be confirmed early. Building access, elevator reservations, local packing, delivery windows, and storage needs can affect the final stage of the relocation. Corporate relocation works best when the company protects the employee from unnecessary logistic decisions. SDC International Shipping coordinates door-to-door household good relocations from Southern California, including packing, sea freight, air freight, specialty shipping, insurance options, and storage. Call 877-339-0267 or visit our website.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.